Welcome to this Progressive Muscle Relaxation on the Go audio. You may not always have time to follow the full Progressive Muscle Relaxation cycle, so this is a shortened version. I do recommend you follow the full Progressive Muscle Relaxation routine, as this will allow you to become familiar with the techniques of tensing and relaxing each individual muscle, which will allow you to get greater benefit from this shortened version. In this approach, you can learn easily how to tense groups of muscles, allowing you to cover the major groups in less time. I've grouped the muscles into 4 areas. Before we begin, find a quiet place where you'll not be disturbed. Lie down or sit comfortably. Make sure you're safe to listen to this audio. Do not listen whilst driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. Now is a good time to pause the audio and get yourself ready. Let's begin. Start to bring your awareness to your breath. Breathe in through the nose. Notice your tummy rising on the in-breath, falling on the out-breath as you relax, releasing air from your lungs. Breathing in through the nose. Notice only your breath as your tummy moves out and your lungs expand. Allow everything to drift away as you become more aware of the rhythm of your breath. Your tummy rising and falling, slowly in through the nose and release through the mouth. I wonder if you've already started to notice a feeling of relaxation somewhere in your body. Let's begin moving through the body, squeezing and releasing each group of muscles, starting with the lower limbs, feet and legs. On the next in-breath, lift your legs parallel to the floor, pointing your toes and tensing your legs. You should feel tension in your thighs, calves and feet. Allow that tension to build and release. Notice the difference between tension and relaxation. You can enjoy that feeling of relaxation easily as you continue to practice these cycles of tension and release. Next, we'll focus on the stomach and chest. When tensing your stomach, pull your belly button towards the floor or the back of your seat. For your chest, hold your breath and pull your upper arms into your sides. Breathe in and tense your stomach and chest. Hold and allow that tension to build. Drawing your stomach down to the floor or the back of the seat. Tension your arms and just feel that tension across your chest. Allow it to build and release. That's it. Notice the difference between tension and release. The muscles may feel warm and heavy from the exertion. You can enjoy this feeling. Remember it. The release it brings and how good it can feel. Moving up, next focus on the arms, shoulders and neck. Clench your hands into fists and bring your hands up towards your shoulders as if you're making a muscle. And bend your wrists inwards. This will tense up your forearms. Next, shrug your shoulders upwards towards your neck and bring your chin down towards your chest. Allow that tension in the arms, forearms, the shoulders and the neck to build. That's it. And release. At any time during this audio, if you feel any kind of pain or discomfort, stop or just take a break. It's important not to overexert, especially things like the neck and your back and any areas where you might have had ongoing pain or discomfort in the past, because you do not want to aggravate those. So just do as much as you can, but don't push it beyond anything which you're uncomfortable with. Just notice as your arms drop limp by your side, as the tension drains out through your fingertips. That's it. Finally, onto the face. The face is made up of many muscles. Here we'll use 3 facial expressions to stretch and tense the facial muscles. First, open your mouth wide, stretching your jaw down as you do, and hold this for a few seconds. Just imagine saying the word ah as you do this. Allow that stretch to build. That's it, and release. Well done. Next, we're going to stretch your mouth out to the side and close your eyes tight. Imagine now this is as if you're clenching your teeth, but again, not too hard, and making an E sound in your head as you just allow that tension to build across the face, scrunching the eyes, stretching the cheeks out to the side, maybe even feeling this tension into your neck as well. Hold that and release. Well done. Finally, we'll elongate the face, stretching the nose downwards and your mouth into an O shape. This will allow the effect of tensing your neck further as well. Here you can imagine saying like an O shape, pursing your lips more into that kind of smaller O shape as you pull the nose down, stretch the face out, feel that tension up into the neck. Allow that tension to build and release. That's great. Well done. We've now covered the major muscle groups. You can enjoy that feeling of relaxation and release that has brought. Notice how your muscles feel. Maybe they feel warm and heavy. The neck and shoulders can carry a lot of tension from long hours at the desk and continued use of screens. Can you imagine returning to this feeling easily? You can return with an in-breath, closing your eyes and saying or thinking release as you exhale. And the more you do this, the easier and more quickly you can return. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 4, and on 4 you'll begin to return to awareness. There's no rush here. If you feel you want to lie quietly longer, then that is also absolutely fine. 1, 2, start to become aware of your surroundings. 3, your eyelids become lighter. 4, slowly opening your eyes, coming into awareness of the surroundings and back into the room. Whether lying or sitting, take a few moments before moving, as your muscles may become very relaxed and not respond as quickly as you might expect. Make sure you drink some water and take this renewed relaxation into the rest of your day. I recommend listening to this audio as regularly as you can or would like. As with anything you practice, the more you do it, the better you'll become. And the more quickly you'll be able to return to that feeling of relaxation and release.